here working on my car films and storage by myself. You know, solo, me and Vegan. That's how we doing it. That's how we rolling. Since these niggas acting funny, you already know. Yeah. So now I just gotta take these mirrors off. Door handles. Bam! Let's do this. Come on this side, man. Come on this side. All action's going on this side. Let's see. Up here. Damn. Hit my window. Shit. Damn, dude. You didn't tell me I was gonna happen. Shit. Come on. Come on. Alright. Oh. There's one in here for sure. Come on, folks. Let me use the license plates. I'm gonna walk back and get it real cool. There we go, there we go. It's gotta be. Oh, yeah. Woo! It's a sticky tape in this shit. It's better. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I ain't even destroying them. Damn, all up for nothing. Let me go get the other. Alright, fools, I'm gonna try to wrap this shit myself. You know how that shit gonna go. I don't know. Might go good, might go bad. Come on. Man, that's import work, got that door shiny. Forgot my drill. Batteries at home, so that's what happens. Gonna be driving super far to go get drill batteries. Gotta do everything by hand now. For today at least. Damn. Man, trying to get my backwood dirty. Damn. Oh, damn! Look at that. These are motor. Great. Other side. Oh, good. Little down there. Should be up now. Good. Yep. Let's see what this one's got. Yes, it does. And it's tight. Ba, ba, ba. You know what that is? That's that Billie Eilish. That's that Billie Eilish.
What are you talking about?
You didn't know any of those lyrics?
I don't know what page you're on. I gotta catch up.
I've been watching some shit on the internet. I've been seeing all kind of people saying. Oh shit, my finger's not in. My thoughts.
You want me to do it?
The only problem is that you have to have like really strong ass fingers. So if not, you're gonna twist your fingers up. I'm hitting it. I'm just probably should have used a little pry bar or something. That's a bad idea.